Okay, this is the last page on the survey, so you're doing great. We're going to start to ask some questions about the authority, the accountability, the autonomy of the position. What we're trying to get at here is, what decisions do you make? What decisions does your supervisor make? What's your ability to say, I am the final say here. I get to make this decision, and this is what we do. Where do you say, oh no, I need to get my supervisor involved. I'm not authorized to make that decision. Now, admittedly, that's a gray line, but we're being a little bit intentional about asking this question to say, where does that authority lie? What decisions do you make? We're trying to get at here, what's the level? What's the authority? What's the difference between a 1, a 2, a 3, a specialist, a coordinator, an analyst, a crew leader, a supervisor, a manager? We're trying to see where this career ladder looks like. So we're going to use that information to kind of think about some of those different levels. Down at the bottom, we're also going to ask if you have anything else we've forgotten to ask. Do you think there's anything else that we need to know? Remember our 3 questions. We're here to say, does the job title make sense? Does the job description accurately reflect what you do? And what's the going market rate? So we're trying to answer those questions. And if there's anything else that you think we need to know, you can upload a file to us and we'll take a look at it. So anything that you think is helpful for us to have, go ahead and upload that here. Also down at the bottom, you have an opportunity to say, do you supervise employees, volunteers, contractors, vendors? Are you providing oversight and direction into other people? If yes, go ahead and say yes, and it's going to take you to a separate page, and we'll be able to ask you some questions about what does your supervisory roles look like. Again, this is the last page, so you're doing great. You're almost there. Thank you so much for taking the time to fill out the questionnaire.